Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Big Boss Quest 2. In Big Boss Quest 2, you need to catch 10 Cupid mutated fish and also the lonely mutated fish. And here I'm going to show you a guide on how you can finish the second part of the mission so you can get the reward. So first, to catch the Cupid and also the lonely mutated fish, you need to go into the ocean and you can look for fish in bright pink color, and it's usually hidden deep in the ocean. I don't know why it is hard now to find the Cupid fish. I'm going to just show you how it look like. So for the Cupid one, it looks like this, like in bright pink color. And for the lonely mutated fish, it look like this. It's still in pink color, but also a little with black color like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.